Hey YouTube, this is my tool review on some Blackhawk tools. This is my little socket set. Consists of two kits. The first set is a 3/8 drive 6-point Blackhawk by Proto. Right there's the. Let me get adjusted here. There's the product number. Again, if you're not familiar with Blackhawk tools, they are made by Stanley and Stanley Black & Decker. They also are the same makers of Mac tools. This set comes with a deep and shallow. The deeps run from 3/8 all the way to 7/8. The shallow runs from 5/16 all the way to 1 inch. I've had this set for 7 years. As you can see, the chrome still sticks, nice and shiny. I don't believe in polishing. All I do is just wipe them off and throw a little WD-40 on them when I'm done. Other than that, they're still good. Good quality, as you see. And I've used these for working on vehicles, furniture, equipment. Still going strong. I gotta say, for Blackhawk, they are a little bit cheaper than Mac. I kind of figure these are more of the economy line compared to the Mac, but they have a high quality tool. Here's my little metric set. I can get that number right there, 3824 MNB. Again, 3824 Mike November Bravo. It comes with a spark plug socket and a little 3-inch extension. It's nice. Comes with a ratchet. I like this ratchet. Has a little ring right there to help tighten up tools, hand tight. Instead of doing a ratchety ratch. The shallows go from 7mm to 17mm. Again, 6-point, nice chrome. Still lasts. Here's the deeps. It goes from 10 to 15. They skip 16. You got a 17. They skip 18. You got a 19. It's good quality. They hold up very good. Again, I use these for about everything. At my job, here at the house. Kind of show you a little size difference. Here's a Craftsman, as you see. It gives it a little bit longer leverage. But again, this doesn't have the quick release like the Craftsman does. Back to the ratchet. It is a 41 tooth. It's held up. I've never had any issues. Again, I use this set about every day. And I really hope to plan on using this set many more. Other than that, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit like, hit comment, share, subscribe. I'll try to keep doing little hand tool reviews, or like a little showcase. I will say I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm not endorsed, so the only thing I ask is if you do use tools, use yours and use them safely. And take care, have a nice day, and have a safe one.